Guys, it's Mina here, Mina. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome back if you are a regular. So as you may or may not, I usually make videos around my hobbies, so travel, fashion, generally like thrifting, and then roller skating, which is a new hobby of mine from this year. It's a quarantine hobby, I know. A lot of people picked up on roller skating. It's been fun. But yeah, after I obviously did my unboxing video of my rookie artistic white roller skates, I did have a number of questions on the original video and requests, so I thought it'd be good to do a roller skate review now that I've had them officially for, it must be 6 months now. Yeah, I've had them for 6 months, which is mad, wild. So yeah, I'm going to be going over 5 different categories for the review. So cuteness, comfort, longevity and wear, sizing, and then sort of indoor-outdoor usage a bit. So yeah, just to give you a good overview and see if these are the skates for you or not as a beginner. By the way, if you haven't hit subscribe and the notification bell already, please do. You're going to see lots more videos around my hobbies, skating, thrifting and traveling. And like, I bought these because they are cute AF. Like, cuteness is 100% a 10 out of 10 because they're all plain white. They're very like, I've put on, now you can see that I've also put on these toe caps which I bought on Etsy. They're faux leather. I can leave a link if you want. So yeah, plant-based leather, pleather or whatever, and so they're, you know, quite cute and girly, and so I definitely give them a 10 out of 10 for cuteness straight away. And so yeah, let's move to the second category, which is comfort. So I've always found these skates super comfortable. Even from day one, I never had like an issue where, you know, some shoes, like for example Doc Martens, you wear them and for the first like, you know, 5 wears it's very uncomfortable. Not at all. These boots were super comfortable straight away. You can see they've got really nice padding and also on the tongue, so I literally never had an issue. I will say though that if you are someone that's a bit flat-footed, which I am a little bit, so your arch isn't as prominent in your foot, it can be a bit uncomfortable if you wear it for like more than an hour or 2 hours. You start to feel a bit of that tinge in your arch, so you can solve that by getting a pair of insoles with an arch, which you probably have to do for some trainers anyway. So insoles would definitely help if you have an arch problem. But besides that, for me, comfort, based on all of that, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. You know, 2 points off for the lack of arch, I suppose. The longevity slash wear. So 6 months, almost solely outdoor usage, a little bit of indoor, but mostly outdoor. You can see, like, let's wait for the camera to focus on this, if it can. But yeah, you can see there's various scuffs, scratches and wear all around. But these, remember guys, these are bright white, and this is all I have to show for, you know, 6 months of outdoor heavy usage, falls, several falls, and the roads in the UK, bruv, it's like jagged edges. So if after 6 months I just have that side in particular, and then let's take a look at the other skates. So similar, scuffs on the back, scuffs here, and then thank God I got a pair of toe caps, because look, this happened to me the other day. I had a super bad fall, yeah, and it absolutely obliterated the toe covers. So I highly recommend you get them, because as a result, you know, underneath we have a little bit of scuffing, but it's not as anywhere near as much as it would have been without the toe covers. So highly recommend you get a pair of those if you're going to be outdoor skating. But yeah, in terms of, yeah, the front is also a bit scuffed. I should show that. So before I got the toe covers, toe caps probably 4 months in. So I really should have got them earlier. But yeah, there are scuffs on the front of both boots as well. So yeah, in terms of longevity and wear, given that they're bright white, I think it's pretty good. So I think I'm actually going to give it, I think I'll give it a 7, just because this is 6 months, you know, after a year they might be absolutely obliterated. Touch wood. That's not the case, but you never know. So yeah, 7 out of 10 for longevity and wear for me. And then sizing. This is one which I got asked a lot. I feel like I mentioned the size, but anyway, I'll talk about it now. So you can see here, artistic, UK size 7, US size 8, Euro size 40.5. So yeah, it says right there. And people were asking me also, like, is it is it men's or women's sizes? 100% it's a woman's size 7, because that's the shoe size I wear in trainers, boots, everything. So women's size UK 7 or US 8 for women's. And oh, I actually didn't notice this label. It's actually 100% man-made, so it's actually not leather. So they are plant-based or vegan-friendly, vegetarian-friendly boots, which is amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't check beforehand. I really should have, but that's really nice to know as well. So that's really good. That's gonna give them a bonus point. That's like a bonus category for like sustainability slash being plant-based. Definitely bonus points for that. But yeah, going back to sizing, it's spot on. Absolutely. I bought a size 7. I'm a size 7 in Doc Martens, in Nike trainers, in Converses, all size 7, UK size 7. So 10 out of 10 for sizing for me. Never been uncomfortable. It's been super spacious. I wear thick socks sometimes, thin socks, it all fits perfectly. Okay, the last category I put up for review is indoor slash outdoor usage. This one's kind of unfair because I have mainly done outdoor, but the reason why I'm going to give it a higher rating for indoor slash outdoor is because everything on these boots is adjustable, which is amazing. So these wheels, I can take them off. I can add specific ones, wheels for indoor usage. I can add specific wheels for outdoor usage, etc. So I've been using these outdoors, so I think it's best to stick with them for outdoors, because I think all the roughness might make it very slippery on indoor usage. So yeah, but yes, 100% adjustable. You can take them off, put them back on. But I'm going to give it a 9 out of 10 for indoor-outdoor usage, only because the first time I tried to take these wheels off, guys, imagine I was trying to take these wheels off for about 2 months because they are wedged in so tight. Got my brother to help, got everyone to help, and no one in my family could take it off because they are super screwed in super tight. I have my tool, let me show you. I bought this skate tool, which is kind of very good for taking, for example, this part off, loosening, tightening the wheels. But to actually get the, for example, the toe stop off, oh my days, that was actually a headache. I used like this, I'll try and insert an image, but it's like an adjustable wrench, and like I had to like put my body weight into getting it off. So I'm not gonna lie, that was very inconvenient, and it took me months to loosen it, so to even put these on. So I'm gonna give it I'll give it a 9 because it is still adjustable. Just maybe the first time you adjust it, you might actually have to go into a shop, like a skate shop. If it was non-corona times, I would have done that, but you know, you do what you gotta do. So yeah, overall I think that averages, I calculated it, averages to about 8.8 out of 10, so basically 9 out of 10. So basically if you are a beginner in the UK and you manage to get a pair of rookie artistic white roller skates, go ahead, like just do it, because they've been perfect with me. I love them. Obviously it's the UK, so the weather has been super wet and rainy lately. I've not been able to skate much, so I'm actually going to try and do some more indoor stuff. There's like a leisure centre near me that I'm going to try and see if they have a room for me to do some skating. And then there's also a roller disco in London. There's only one, so I'm going to try and go there in the next few weeks. Obviously this was pre-lockdown 2 announcement here in the UK, so I was full of optimism. That's basically it for the video, the review. I hope it was helpful. If you have any further questions, obviously just drop it down below and I'd be more than happy to answer. If you haven't subscribed already, please do hit subscribe and the notification bell. And also please go ahead and follow my skating Instagram. It's rarely updated, but it was for a while. It's quite good still. Definitely go follow me there. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video, which is looking likely to be a vlog, especially since today I'm going travelling. I'm actually going to Greece today, so maybe it's going to be a vlog. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!